One of the most important aspects of graphic design is color. If you aren't careful, poor color choices can ruin an otherwise good design, but if you are careful, it can dramatically improve things without much extra effort. I recommend creating a color palette for all of your videos, a small handful of colors that look good together and people will associate with your work. A good place to start is with 2 or 3 distinct attention-getting colors, and a handful of secondary ones, a dark, light, and some others. What you want to avoid are highly saturated colors like these ones, and instead opt for lighter colors like these. Unless you already know exactly what you want, look for inspiration online, from a site like coolers.co or colorhunt.co, which have pre-made color palettes to choose from. Alternatively, a site like paladon.com lets you choose one color you like and then have it show you complementary colors. It creates a whole palette around this one color that you like. Once you find some that you like, look for the 6-digit tag with a £. That's called the Hex Code, and it's how the computer understands what specific color you want. So you can copy and paste those into your graphic design application. In Affinity Designer, we can create a new palette here on the right, and add each color we want to use, using that Hex Code. This way it remembers them, and we can easily apply them in new documents down the road. Be wary of using too many colors at once. It's better to keep it simple with just a few colors at a time. It also looks good to separate distinct colors with a white or a black in between them, like you see here. Beyond that, it's mostly just trial and error. Practice some combinations and see how they look.